Hello everyone and welcome once again to my channel, Horroritup. So guys, welcome once again to my channel. And don't forget, if this is your first time viewing my channel, hit that subscription button below, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos, and hit that like button at the end of the video. And today we're gonna be unboxing a famous puppet from the 1930s, Charlie McCarthy. And before we do that, I want to thank and send a shout out to Jonathan Rivers. I got this beautiful Sea of Chucky, brand new, and you won't believe what I paid for it. It was $280, and I was skeptical at first, like everyone else, but it's brand new, hasn't been touched. I'm gonna leave it right in the box the way it is. I have to decide what I'm gonna do with this guy. So yeah, so let's go back to the video. And like I said, we're gonna be unboxing the Charlie McCarthy puppet. This guy came out in the early 1930s. Just get this here, I don't wanna hurt anything. So the Ventriloquist was Edgar Bergen, might be pronouncing it wrong. It's Bergen, and he started when he was in high school in the 1930s. And I always liked this puppet, but I was so inspired by the creepy normal life on Instagram. He does so many posting with this puppet, and he dresses him up in so many ways. And guys, you have to excuse my voice. I was a little sick during the week, so. And here he is, guys. So yes, I seen this on Instagram for a while. Like I said, the little creepy normal life on Instagram. He has him, dresses him up in all kinds of ways, and poses him in beautiful positions. And I was inspired by that, and I just said, you know, I always wanted one, but I just said I'm gonna get me one of those, and I got him. Now he is missing the top hat, which is a signature article that he wears. And yeah, but there he is, Charlie McCarthy, fully up. But the thing is with this guy, he's so old, but if you see him here, the mouth works. So in 1937, this guy got his debate on NBC radio. And I remember seeing him around 1950s, middle 1950s. He had the Charlie McCarthy show, and I believe that was CBS. I'm not quite sure, but yeah. And I liked him a lot. And they had him at that era. They had him, and they also had, I don't know, you probably remember, I believe it's Jerry Mahoney and Knucklehead. And I used to fear Knucklehead. I don't know, for some reason I had a nightmare once with him, and he He scared the daylight out of me. I didn't want to know about puppets. But okay, so here we got him in his tuxedo. And I took him out the box, so I'm most likely going to have to iron this tuxedo up. No, oh, this is just like a, okay. And there he goes. He has a white bow tie right here. I'm not sure if that's exactly the bow tie that he does use. This is like one of those little shirt things they used to use back in the days. And I think, I'm not sure if it was white bow tie or red bow tie. I'm not sure, but yeah. And it is kind of dangerous. This one it's an old one I got from eBay, and I got him at a good price. So, and yeah, the tuxedo. You can see the silk shiny part on the collar here, and it's got a snap-on button right there. Okay. Now the pants are torn. Maybe that's why I got him at a good price, but I'm gonna show you how he came to me. And this pants is all torn up, as you can see right here. Look. Okay. So either I'm gonna have to find another pants, make one for him, and my wife is pretty good with the sewing machine, so she probably could make me one, or I will have to try to buy one, but I'm pretty sure she could make one. He has no shoes. Okay, so I gotta do a little work on him. Might be able to purchase some clothing if I could. Okay, the eyes look good. It doesn't look too scraped out or anything. So that's pretty good there on the eyes. The lips are nice painted. It doesn't have any fading that I could see. And he also is supposed to sport a little glass here. It's like a little glasses they used to wear. It's round with the string. He would wear that right here. That's why you see those indentations there. That's for the glasses. And this one didn't come with it, but I'm not worried about it. Not sure if his hair is supposed to be brown like this or black. But mine has little fading on the color there. So I'll do some research and maybe I could have it painted. Other than that, he looks great. This is where the string is on the neck. You pull this string here and his mouth moves. Simple as that. I mean, a real professional puppet, they put the hands in here and they have mechanism that makes the eye move, the eyebrows, the mouth, and some of them even the ears, but it's very expensive. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is Charlie McCarthy here, and we're gonna sign out. And don't forget to check out the Creepy Normal Life on Instagram, so you could see all his pictures of Charlie McCarthy, his poses and outfits. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up and like this channel. It'll help my channel. And until my next video on Horroritup, peace. you.